What if I told you that you could send hundreds, even thousands of messages on Facebook Messenger without lifting a finger? No more copy-pasting, no more clicking send over and over until your hand cramps up. Just pure hands-free automation doing all the heavy lifting for you. Sounds too good to be true. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have the exact process to make this happen. Now, real quick, if you're new here, welcome. But before we dive in, I need you to know something important. This is the software interface. Here, I can manage thousands of accounts on a single dashboard. Each account uses a different proxy to start mass messaging. You first need to prepare your content. Go to Content Management, click on Add Post, then choose the category where you want the content to be stored. Next, select the type, in this case, I'll choose Messaging, and enter your content. You can also upload images or videos to make your messages more effective. Once done, click Save. Next, go to Messaging, select Content, choose the content you want, and click Save. Then, select Send to Profile ID and input a list of your target customer profile IDs. Finally, choose the accounts you want to use and click Start. The software will automatically run the process for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've got some amazing content coming up, so make sure to show some love. Smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.